to show you how to replace the mark heaters with different size. First of all, loosen 4 screws and take the air plug out for the replacement. Let's start. First of all, loosen front screw and back screw. Take the heating element out. Loosen the air plug cover and take it out. Our plug is with 4 pins and insert with new replacements. Align the hole position and insert screws. Please take care of your hands against sharp edge. After install 4 screws, connect the air plug. It's very easy, right?